Hello, my name's Randy. Welcome back to my YouTube, Man Meets Metal, or Sharpening by Randy is the business name. I would like to thank you for your participation and following along in my videos. I always have something interesting and exciting happening here. And if you don't mind, please like, subscribe, and help me out here. Now, as today's adventure will be, I am going to give you a little shop tour I've got a nice pole shed here, but I only use a little bit of this in the wintertime because up here in Wisconsin, it gets brutally cold. So a buddy of mine came over when we hung plastic up on the ceiling, on the walls, all the way around. Because all I've got is a LP fire torpedo heater to keep myself warm. And we all know Wisconsin gets a little chilly. So here's my shop tour. We'll start off in this corner here. This is my station for doing lawnmower blades. Right now I don't have a lot. I've got a couple customers that give me their blades over the wintertime just to help me out here. Then next to it, I've got my Foley-Belsaw 310 with a fixture from Thorby International. I do chipper knives. They're a nice machine, hand operated. I do everything by hand. I don't do a lot of automation. I like the hand work because you can pay attention. The only thing with this is you got to pay attention when you fixture up your chipper knives, make sure they're square. So that's that. Then I've got a bar shop for reconditioning saw bars. I've got this set up here. Everything's on wheels, so I can move everything around decent. But I love this machine. It's great for when you got bars that are a little worn, the gauge is out, or even bent. I can straighten bent saw bars. The next to me I have here is my Woodmizer BMS250 for doing the bandsaw blades. I've got that set up over here on this side. And then right behind it, so I've got my Cook's dual tooth setter. And why I have this set up is I can clean it with my cleaner I made. This is my bandsaw blade cleaner. I have got that working decent. So what I do is I clean it. I can turn, do my set. I can turn and do my sharpen. Nice and ergonomically friendly. I am going to update. I got a half horse on there now. I am going to update that. I picked up from an auction a horse motor. See how that helps. That just seemed to stress that little half horse a little too much. So get that done. And then over in this back corner here is my chainsaw. Right now this corner is a mess because I was just straightening, moving stuff around, trying to give me more room. But that's my sharpening. That's what I have set up right now. There's a little area in my shed I have to so I can stay warm, basically. So if you don't mind, hit like, subscribe, let me know how you feel. Have a good day.